Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today I'm taking maths of class 9th lesson number 4 linear equation in two variables exercise number 4.1 part 2. In first part I have taken the introduction. Now in second part I am going to start the first exercise of this lesson, that is exercise number 4.1. So the first question is given. Question number 1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So here a statement is given, that is the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen, and this statement we have to represent it in the form of linear equation in two variables. So the solution is, so this is given solution. So one by one we will check, that is let the cost of a notebook equals to rupees x. Here the cost of a notebook and the cost of a pen both not given, so we will take the cost of a notebook as rupees x and the cost of a pen as rupees y. Then according to the condition, what is given condition? Here the condition is given, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. It means we can write it as cost of a notebook equals to 2 into cost of a pen, as it is given cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So here we have taken cost of a notebook as x, that's why we have written cost of a notebook as x, and we have taken here the cost of a pen as rupees y. So here we can write 2 into y, as it is given 2 into cost of a pen. Now we will transfer this 2y to left hand side, so the plus 2y will become minus 2y, then here left 0, so it will become x minus 2y equals to 0. Thus the required linear equation is x minus 2y equals to 0, which is in the form of linear equation in two variables. Then the next question number 2. Express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each cases. So the questions are given below here, and this questions means this linear equations we have to represent in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and then we have to indicate the values of a, b and c. So let's start with the first question. Solution. The first question is given 2x plus 3y equals to 9.35. So here we have 2x plus 3y equals to 9.35, and we can write it as 2x plus 3y plus minus 9.35. So here what we did, we have transferred this 9.35 to left hand side, so the plus 9.35 will become minus 9.35, and we have kept this plus as it is, so that the plus and minus are in the form of multiplication, these two sign. So here compare it with the standard form, and the standard form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. It is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. So while comparing, what we will get here, we get a equals to 2, b equals to 3 and c is equals to minus 9.35. So here, as I told you, a and b are the coefficients. So here the coefficient is 2, here it is 3. It means a equals to 2, b equals to 3, and the constant, it is c, which is given here minus 9.35. So this is how we have to indicate the values. Then the next question, it is given x minus y by 5 minus 10 equals to 0. So we have this equation, and we can write it in the form as x plus minus 1 by 5 into y plus minus 10 equals to 0. Now we are going to compare it with the standard form. So what we did here it is given minus y by 5, so we have represented it as minus 1 by 5 into y, and then plus minus 10. Now we will compare it with the standard form of linear equation in two variables. So this is the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So what we got here, coefficient is not given, and if coefficient is not given, it means it is 1. Therefore A is equals to 1, B equals to minus 1 by 5 and C equals to minus 10. So here we get, after comparing with standard form, A equals to 1, B equals to minus 1 by 5 and C is equals to minus 10. Now next question, that is third. So it is given minus 2x plus 3y equals to 6. So we have equation minus 2x plus 3y equals to 6, which can be written as minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. So here we have transferred this 6 to left side, so it will become minus 6 equals to 0. Then we can write it as minus 2 into x plus 3 into y plus minus 6 equals to 0. Now we will compare it with the standard form of linear equation in two variables, which is given as ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So when we compare it, find here the coefficient is minus 2. It means a equals to minus 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to minus 6. So here we get a equals to minus 2, b equals to 3 and c is equals to minus 6. Then the next question, fourth, it is x equals to 3y. So we can write it, the x equals to 3y, as x minus 3y equals to 0. So we have transferred this 3y to left side, so plus 3y have become as a minus 3y and here what is left, 0. So now we can write it as 1 into x plus minus 3 into y plus 0 equals to 0. Now compare it with the standard form of linear equation. When we compare, we have find that here the coefficient is 1. It means a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3 and c is equals to 0. Here we get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to 0. So this is how we have to indicate the values of a, b and c. So thank you for watching this video. I hope the first and second question of this exercise is understood by you. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you so much.